The beds are very nice. Okay. We haven't tested them out yet because we literally just walked in here, but we'll go with that. Whoa. We got a couch. It's a sleeper sofa, so we could fit. This room is actually, I'd say, a little bit larger than what we had at the Poly, so that works out well.
We have a very nice view right here.
Regular outlets over there.
Very nice view.
I don't know if we have any USB. Sorry. Literally just walked into this room, so I don't know what's in here. Regular outlets there. I'm not seeing any USB ports.
The most best part.
Okay, you want to show the view? This is actually a very nice view. If I can open it. Okay, maybe I can open it. Apparently.
Over here.
Okay.
Over here we have the TV.
We're gonna focus on that. Well, okay. See, he can't open it either. He can't open. Okay, we can't enjoy our balcony. We are trapped inside. Oh wait, I heard the click.
Yeah, I heard it click.
We have 7.
Oh. Is there a lock up top? Lock up on the bottom. Is that it? Oh, there we go. Hidden lock. Right there. Behind the drapes. Hidden lock. Okay. Beautiful view. Very nice little balcony here. But this is gorgeous. Don't see any ducks like we had at the Poly though. Maybe later. Maybe we'll have some duck friends later. Okay.
Maybe the ducks are being deployed.
The ducks are being deployed.
Over here.
Maybe mini fridge.
Over here we have
Stocked with water. Thank you.
the closet.
And a coffee maker, which I probably won't use because I'm a germaphobe. And
Oh my god!
Oh, whoa, okay.
I don't want to hear, oh my god.
When it comes to the bathroom.
Look at how nice this bathroom is.
Okay, so you approve of the bathroom.
It's
The toilet is separate, thank goodness. And let's take a look at the shower. The shower is always where I get picky.
oh.
I mean,
actually
so it's not
bad.
like anything spectacularly updated, but it looks for the most part clean.
The cleanest bath mat you've ever seen.
A little ring right there, but not bad. Not bad for a couple nights. Okay, and you have a hair dryer, me with my frizzy hair, and the lighted mirror.
Oh, this is
Maybe.
nicer than my bathroom.
I know.
Oh, you know what? You gotta plug it in first. It wasn't plugged in. There's lighted mirror. Okay. I see why they unplugged it. It's not turning off with the knob. We all fit in the bathroom. It's a huge bathroom. There we go. Toiletries,
Oh my god. 4
closet, ironing board. There is, I said, world's quickest tour before our reservations. A safe. Here we go. Safe. Yes, and then, oh, you get Neutrogena, toiletries, and paper
There's
cups.
3 mirrors.
There's 3 mirrors. Are you going to use all the mirrors? Is that what
One
you're telling me?
here,
Okay.
one right here,
Uh-huh.
and that one right there.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Okay. I think that is about all for a room tour.
You're about to get a different show if you keep the camera on.
He is changing, so we are going to end this. All right, say bye-bye.
Bye.